Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have the preview updates that are available for the month of July 2026. So they were released late yesterday and are rolling out still if you are checking Windows Update. If you don't check Windows Update, if you don't look at anything, they will install only with the Patch Tuesday updates of August. And for the most part, most of the time I'd tell everyone, you better wait. You'll get them in August with your Patch Tuesday, and it'll give Microsoft the time to fix any bugs that could be in this package. So if you want to install it, or in my case, I did install it for the purpose of the videos, you just check your Windows Update for updates, and you will get the preview update KB5101684. Pushes your build number to 26100 or 26200.8973 if you're on 24 or 25H2. So this is a mix of bug fixing. So it fixes a lot of little things that were wrong and were not correct, or any bugs that you might have. It's going through all of that, but it also changes and adds a lot of new little features. There's all sorts of new options for voice typing and voice recognition and improvements. There's something that's rolling out slowly, and it's about time. When you go to File Explorer and you look at file sizes, one of the biggest problems with the file size was the fact that you have everything in kilobytes. And so, for example, when some of the things were really big, you could see that you had, 1,489,000 and so on, kilobytes, instead of having the correct sizes. So now it will use either kilobytes, megabytes, or gigabytes, depending on how big the file is. Now, I don't have it because here you see that I'm all kilobytes still, and some of you might have it, some of you will not have it. If you go and check out your file sizes, you should see if you have it or not on your system. There's also improvements in the way the network cards refresh the HCP, the connection with your network. There's also improvements in Windows Update. So we talked about how Microsoft wanted to improve Windows Update and try to make it more reliable. And this update is one of the updates that starts to change the way Windows Updates actually reports back to you on the activity. So, when you have a Windows Update, you see a percentage go through, and sometimes it's stuck. And, well, starting with this update, the next updates you're going to get, the progress indication should be more reliable and telling you where and how it's installing and where it is at. And also the cleanup process is going to be more efficient, so that when you restart, you shouldn't feel that the system is sluggish for a certain amount of time after each updates. So there's also a fix those that have crashes of Explorer.exe. Microsoft says that with this preview update, there's Explorer.exe is more reliable, so you shouldn't see them as often if you have problems with that. I personally don't have any issues with Explorer.exe, but Microsoft does acknowledge that depending on your system configuration, sometimes you could have issues with all of that. And so there's a lot more in the list of fixes and changes into Windows. And of course, like I said, you can wait. These are preview updates. It did happen in the past that the preview update had problems. So by waiting until Patch Tuesday of August, you will ensure that if anything's wrong, well, they're probably going to be fixed by then. And of course, if you are one of those that want to have everything right now, well, you can, of course, go and check out the Windows Update, and you should see it appear. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.